Hello guys, what is up? Highly welcome you to the official YouTube channel of King Sam Grafix. This is your brother King Sam here, and I really thank you very much for coming back to watch this tutorial. If you are a subscriber to this channel, if you are new here, thank you very much for coming on to my platform to explore new ideas. And then if you are interested in smartphone graphic designing, consider subscribing to this channel and then turn on the notification bell to be notified when new contents have been uploaded. All right, so let's quickly move on to our mission for today. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple birthday flyer right in pixellab. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I will leave the resources, the image, the fonts used in this design right in the description, so you can go ahead and check them out to guide in your design. Alright, so let's start with our business for today. The first thing you have to do is change the background size. So go to this side and just click on the image size, and then the width that you are using is 1000 pixels, and then the height you are using is 1300 pixels. All right, so this way, good. And then go ahead and delete this text right here because we don't need it at the moment. All right, the next thing we have to do is to set our background color. All right, so we are using a gradient color, so just go on to this side and then just click on color. All right, so we are going to use this color right here, but I want to show you how to set up that color. All right, so just click on the plus sign right here. So you could see we have 2 points, like this is the first one and then this is the second one. Okay, so we are using this particular one, that's the gradient. We have various tools right here. You can these are various setups you can choose from, but we are using this one right here. So we have a darker portion around the shape and then lighter portion in the middle. All right, so this is the lighter one and this is the darker one. So with the lighter, you can just click on color right this way. Okay, so you can adjust your color right here. So this is the color we are using for the lighter one. Okay, just click on okay if you are good or it's okay for you. And this is the darker one we are using, so it brings you to this part, so you can adjust it right from here. So I can place it somewhere right here. Okay, so just click on okay if that's okay for you too. All right, so go ahead and just click on okay. So our background color is being set this way. This is very simple. How to set a background color right in pixellab is very simple. This is a gradient color. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to bring our first or the image right here, the image you're using for the birthday flyer. Okay, so you just click on from gallery. All right, so we have this very nice image right here we are using. This a friend of mine from Nigeria, and then I promised her to do a birthday flyer for her, so I had to fulfill my promise. Okay, and then as you know, if I do a flyer, I have to show you the way to also go about it. Okay, so this is the image right here. So you can position it right somewhere here. Okay, so go ahead and lock it this way. All right, so you can see the base of the image is very sharp, so I'm going to show you how to apply a gradient, a fading gradient right to it. You could remember my last video before this. If not, go ahead and watch that video before you watch this. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to do that. We are going to apply a fading gradient right to this image to make it to blend with the image right here, not to see the sharp base. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is just go to shape. All right, so this is the shape right here, and then go to color. We are using a gradient color, so I have my gradient color right here, but I'm going to show you how to set this gradient color. Okay, so just follow me step by step. All right, so just come here to this part. All right, so we followed the same principle as the first thing we did for the background. Okay, so we have 2 colors right here. So this is the first one for the base color, and then this is the second one for the fading gradient right here. Okay, so this is your first color. Just click on color. This way you can change or choose the color of your choice right from here, but make sure it blends with the background. Okay, and then this second one, just click on color. You see, it's supposed to be here, but just move the color all the way to this side. Okay, and just click on okay. So you have something of this sort. Okay, so you can really adjust it right from here. So just click on OK if it's good for you. All right, so this way we are going to really adjust it right from here and just put it at a base. Okay, so you could see it's being tilted to the left, so you can really adjust it right from here to make it a little bit straight. All right, so this way. Okay, so just click on OK. So this way. All right, so you can really position it somewhere here. All right, so just go ahead and lock it this way. Right, so the next thing you have to do is to copy this image right here. So just click on copy this way. Okay, and then just click on crop. You're going to reflect it to the other side, so something of this or this way. Okay, and then position it right behind the first image right there. You can go ahead and decrease the size a little bit, something of this or this way, and then decrease the opacity to somewhere 50. Okay, this. Okay, and then just go ahead and lock it. All right, so our work is coming out. Let's go ahead and add our text. So happy birthday. All right, so just click on text right here, then just type in happy. Okay, so this way, just go ahead and enlarge it a little bit this way. You are maintaining the white color, change the font to this font right here. Okay, so it says signature font right here. You can use. I will leave the link right in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. All right, so this way, make sure no part is being cut off. Okay, so this way you can still go ahead and increase the size a little bit and then lock it. The next one is the birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday. So this way, go ahead and capitalize it this way. All right, so we are changing the color to this yellow color right here. So color this one. Okay, and then change the font to this Gobert Ablo. So we are using this font, and all the link will be left in the description. Okay, so position this one behind the happy this way. All right, so this is cool, nice. Go ahead and copy the birthday text this way, edit, and then type in charity. So that's the name of my friend. I know most of you guys know her on LinkedIn. Big Charity. All right, so change the color to white. All right, change the color to white. You can decrease the size a little bit, and then you can rotate it this way. Kindly position it right here. Decrease the size a little bit. Position it right here. Good. The next thing is let's add a date, and then our work will be done. So you just click on copy and then edit. Okay, so the date was the 25th of March. 25th of March. So this way, okay, can increase the size a little bit and then position it right here. Okay, position nicely right there. 25th. Okay, so copy. You're almost done. All right, copy and then edit. 25th March. Just type in MAR. Okay, so that's the March. Okay, good. And then decrease the size to match with the 25th. Okay, so adjust its position nicely right here. Okay, you can increase the size a little bit. It is way off. All right, so position it somewhere here. All right, there. So this is how to go about this birthday flyer right in pixellab. I know it's really going to help you out and then master your way throughout graphic designs using smartphone. Let me know your comments right in the comment section, how you're able to go about the design, and you're able to do it. Kindly forward your design to me on WhatsApp and I will check it out and then see the questions and the way for it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and then see you in my next upload.